was going on?
The black aeroplane.
The black aeroplane. Who is the writer?
Frederick Forsyth.
Forsyth. The author was a pilot, and he was working in which country? France. France, yes. Capital है, yes. Yes, in France. And he had got a holiday. And he was sick of home. That's why he wanted to reach home by hook or by crook. He wanted to have what? The big English breakfast. Yes. He wanted to be with his family very soon. He had left Paris 150 kilometers away behind him. Suddenly, what did he saw? Yes, a huge black mountains, storm clouds. He had not enough fuel in his second and last fuel tank. The fuel of his first tank was exhausted, finished, and he had not enough fuel to move his old Dakota towards the north side or towards the south side, and he could not fly over the storm clouds. And suddenly he entered his old Dakota. What was the name of his old Dakota? Straight into the black storm clouds, and his old Dakota started jumping and twisting in the air. Everything got suddenly black. Then, quite near him, he saw another aeroplane. This aeroplane had no lights on its wings. It means it was a black aeroplane, strange aeroplane, and he was moving his hand and he was giving the signal to follow him. The first pilot, the pilot of the old Dakota, understood that the second pilot knew that he was lost in the storm and he was trying to help him. Okay. This was where we were. Now I start. He knows that I am lost. I thought he is trying to help him. Did you find the line? Very good. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north. He stands for whom? For the first pilot or for the second pilot?
First pilot.
Second pilot. The second pilot turned his aeroplane slowly to the north in front of my Dakota. Now you understood? Who turned his aeroplane towards the north side?
Yes.
Second pilot. In front of my Dakota, so that it would be easier for me to follow him. I was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane. Why the aeroplane was called strange? No lights. No lights on its wings. That's why it was the strange aeroplane. Like an obedient child, Why the first pilot was behaving like an obedient child?
Because he was lost.
Because he was lost and he was caught in the misfortune. And you know that a helpless person always behaves like a obedient person. After half an hour, the strange black aeroplane was still there in front of me in the clouds. For half an hour, the second pilot was flying his strange aeroplane in front of the old Dakota. Now there was only enough fuel in the old Dakota's last tank to fly for 5 or 10 minutes more. Now once again the misfortune was coming to the first pilot. The second pilot had the sufficient amount of fuel, but the first pilot, who had switched on the second and last fuel tank, yes, he had insufficient amount of fuel. Hey, no talk, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Now in the second and last fuel tank, only the fuel was left for 5 or 10 minutes. Once again the first pilot was frightened. At first, when he got frightened, the first pilot, can you...
And it was strong.
Yes, very good, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. When he saw the storm clouds, he got frightened. And for the second time, he got frightened when he found that his second and last fuel tank had only for 5 or 10 minutes fuel. I was starting to feel frightened again, but then he started to go down. Who started to go down? First pilot or second pilot? Second pilot. Very good. You are very serious this time. And I followed through the storm, and I was following. I was only following like an obedient child. Suddenly I came out of the clouds. It means he was guiding, the second pilot was guiding the first pilot, and saw 2 long straight lines of lights in front of me. It was a runway from where the aircraft runs, where the aircraft takes off. It was an airport. I was safe. I turned to look for my friend. What do you mean by look for?
Second pilot.
Look for means search. Yes, I turned to search my friend in the black aeroplane. Now the first pilot was regarding the second pilot as his friend, because in the misfortune he had helped him. But the sky was empty. There was no one there. There was nothing there. First there and the last word is also there. What is the difference between these two there? First there and the second there. What is the difference? You are a student class 10. What is the meaning of first there and what is the meaning of last there?
Last there shows place.
Place means in Hindi
Jagah.
waha. And what is meaning of first there?
The first there is introduction.
Very good. Excellent. First there is introductory word. When subject doesn't do any action, at that time we start the sentence with introductory there. एक नदी है. There is a river. यहाँ रिवर कोई एक्शन नहीं कर रहा है. वहाँ एक नदी है. There is a river there. Very good. The black aeroplane was gone. I could not see it anywhere. I landed my old Dakota DS-088 and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. Very important line. Not sorry to walk away. ये क्वेश्चन भी है इन द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. Why does the narrator say I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota? The question है why he was not sorry to land it. At first time the first pilot was very excited. He wanted to reach his home by hook or by crook. That's why he didn't return back to Paris 150 kilometers. But this time he landed his old Dakota and he was not sorry because his life was saved now. Okay, that's why he was not sorry to walk away. He came out of his old Dakota and he started walking from his old Dakota near the control tower, control center, where there was a receptionist, a woman. I went and asked the woman in the control center where I was and who the other pilot was. लास्ट में was verb आ सकता है. अगर हम ऐसा लिखें who was the other pilot तो फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क हो जाएगा क्या, राइट ना. इसलिए हमको कभी भी हेजिटेट नहीं करना है वर्ब को सब्जेक्ट के बाद प्लेस करने में. Where I was and who the other pilot was. I wanted to say thank you. This was the question by the first pilot to the woman in the control tower, right? Another aeroplane up there in this store. Who will be another mad person like you? You have taken the risk of your life because you wanted to meet your wife, because you wanted to meet your family, because you wanted to have big English breakfast. So another aeroplane who will be like such a mad person like you. No other aeroplane were flying tonight. Yours was the only one I could see on the radar. Now see the word yours. What is the difference between your and yours?
Your is a pronoun, but yours shows possession.
Who said?
Anshu Mohit.
Anshu Mohit. Yes. Your is a pronoun and yours shows possession. And it is formed by you pronoun. Very good. Now see the difference. You pronoun से your बना है और your एक noun लेगा, इसलिए इसे बोलते हैं पजेसिव डिटर्मिनर. अभी हम कुछ दिन पहले 2-3 दिन पहले हम डिटर्मिनर का क्लास लिए थे, वीडियो आपको सेंड किए थे. आप एक बार फिर से देख लेना, अदरवाइज यू विल कमिट मिस्टेक. ठीक है ना. तो योर मीन्स भी तुम्हारा होता है और योर्स मीन्स भी तुम्हारा होता है, लेकिन योर और योर्स में डिफरेंस ये है, योर पजेसिव डिटर्मिनर होता है और डिटर्मिनर का काम है अपने बाद एक नाउन लेगा. डिटर्मिनर सिग्नल्स द कमिंग ऑफ ए नाउन. क्या, राइट ना. यही नहीं मैंने बताया आपको वीडियो में. बहुत अच्छा. तो वो डिटर्मिनर है और योर्स जो है वो प्रोनाउन है, पजेसिव प्रोनाउन. अब प्रोनाउन नाउन के बदले आता है, इसलिए ये प्रोनाउन नाउन नहीं लेगा क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वो नाउन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. जैसे दिस इज माय पेन. ठीक है. तो माई क्या हुआ, पजेसिव डिटर्मिनर, उसने नाउन को लिया पेन. दिस पेन इज माइन, ये पजेसिव प्रोनाउन हो गया. प्रोनाउन नाउन के बदले आया है, इसलिए प्रोनाउन विल नॉट टेक अनदर नाउन. ओके. योर्स वाज द ओनली वन आई कुड सी ऑन द रडार, सो हु हेल्प्ड मी. to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio. My compass failed, my radio stopped functioning. So who helped me in this misfortune? And without any more fuel in my tanks, who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? Now the question is question number 5. See your question. Who do you think helped the narrator to reach safely? Discuss this among yourselves and give reasons for your answer. Now, who can say who had helped the narrator to reach safely at an airport? Guess. God. Yes. Almighty God. Yes, it may be Almighty God, because God helps only those who help themselves. And it may be any alien hand. No. It may be his rich imagination. It may be his rich. Very good, very good. It may be his rich imagination, or it may be his sixth sense. We have 5 sense organs, and it may be his common sense, sixth sense, that don't lose your hope. We must retain our hope till the last moment of our life. मरना ही है तो पहले बहादुरी से मुकाबला किया जाए. इट मे बी ही सिक्स सेंस. 4 प्रकार के गेसिंग हम कर सकते हैं. एक अलमाइटी गॉड, एक रिच इमेजिनेशन, एक एलियन हैंड और एक सिक्स सेंस. ठीक है ना. तो ये आप आंसर नंबर 2 नहीं करेंगे. नंबर 2 मैं आपको लिख कर भेजूंगा, बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द बोर्ड एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. और उसमें एक क्वेश्चन और टैग करके दोनों का आंसर सेम ही होगा, मैं आपको पोस्ट कर दूंगा. तो 2 नंबर आप छोड़ देंगे. 1 यू हैव ऑलरेडी आंसर्ड, बट सम आर नॉट एंड दे आर नॉट रेडी. कैन आई नो हु इज दैट वन? ठीक है, गायब हो गई वो. तो नंबर 1 आपने लिखा है, 2 नंबर आप छोड़ दीजिए, एंड यू विल राइट नंबर 3, 4 and 5. दिस विल बी योर होमवर्क. ओके. Three to 5. This will be your homework. Now I am leaving the class, okay? And I will send you one answer, question number 2, with one more question, very very important. Anything to ask?
No, sir.
Oh, okay, thank you. Where is Shruti? Shruti?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Welcome, welcome.